Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to claim a tile in Bonsai board game. During the turn in which your Bonsai matches or exceeds the requirements of a gold tile that is still in the middle of the table, the player must immediately choose whether they want to claim the tile or if they want to renounce it in order to try to achieve a harder gold tile. So as you can see, these gold tiles are in 3 different difficulty levels, and if you, for example, like this player already exceeded the yellow easy tile because there are over 5 leaves touching one another in the bonsai, but they can choose to renounce it and try to achieve a harder goal. When they complete the goal they want to climb, they take the tile and keep it beside their bonsai, and they may only climb 1 gold tile per color. If they renounce taking a gold tile, when they complete it, they may still try in subsequent turns to complete a harder gold tile of the same color, but they may no longer claim the one they renounced. So if that player, for example, never finishes the hardest goal, then they cannot take the easiest because they have already renounced it. And let me show you how to claim it. Now it's this player's turn, and when they place these leaves here in cultivating, they can claim 2 goals now. The first one being this one, because they have 9 leaves that touch each other, and they can place it here. And also another goal, which is this one, because tiles protrude on both sides of the bonsai. And now it's the next player's turn, and you can see that this next player is really close to hitting this hard blue goal, so they can place a wood tile here, and that will make them win this goal, because the tiles protrude below and on the side of the bonsai pot. And now the next player, which is the gray one, doesn't have any tiles, so instead of cultivating they are just meditating. So they take the tiles which are printed on the board and which were on the card. And now the last player in this turn places this tile as well as this tile, and they have achieved 2 goals now, and they can renounce it or claim it, and they choose to claim it. The first goal is this leaf goal, And the second one is the fruit goal. This one. And this is how you claim gold tiles. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.